That's the 172, Charlie November, Holland Tower, 1030 at 9, runway 4 right at Foxtrot, clear for takeoff.
For Foxtrot, clear for takeoff, please Charlie November.
With 490 November Whiskey, Holland Tower at Foxtrot, cross, runway 4 right, runway 4 left, line up and wait.
Cross 4 right at Foxtrot, 4 left, line up and wait. 0 November Whiskey.
Tower, Rainbow 14, ready for Charlie 6.
Rainbow 14, Holland Tower. Traffic just departed, runway 4 left is a caravan.
Looking for the caravan, 4 left, Rainbow 14. Just departed, Rainbow, has that traffic in sight.
740, turn right into 130.
130, friendly 740.
Rainbow 14, depart south ramp, owners, make of all runway.
Clear of all, south ramp, owner, Rainbow 14.
That's a 0 November Whiskey, runway 4 left, clear for takeoff.
4 left, clear for takeoff, 0 November Whiskey.
November 734, Zulu Charlie, Holland Tower at Foxtrot, cross runway 4 right, runway 4 left, line up and wait.
Cross runway 4 right, 4 left, line up and wait, 4 Zulu Charlie.
Flying at 256 Holland Tower at Juliet, cross runway 8 left, back to runway 8 right.
Cross 8 left at Juliet, taxi right, Hawaii 256.
740, contact departure, good day.
Over to departure, friendly 740, have a great day.
That's a 2 Charlie November, contact departure, good day.
Honolulu Tower, Hawaii.
Contact departure to Charlie November.
8 left.
Line 21, heavy Holland Tower, 1050 at 7, runway 8 left, short and clear line, traffic holding in position, cross the runway.
Yeah, left, clear to land, 121.
That's a 4 Zulu Charlie, wind 050 at 7, runway 4 left, clear for takeoff.
Runway 4 left, clear for takeoff, 4 Zulu Charlie, have a good day.
Honolulu Tower, Mana 214 Island, ready inbound.
Mana 2 on Holland Tower, proceed to East Concourse and hold.
East Concourse and hold for Mana 21.
That's a 0 November Whiskey, contact departure, good day.
Contact departure, 0 November Whiskey. Departure, Cessna 490 November Whiskey, solo student pilot at 800 for 1,500. Request flight following to Maui. 3,500, 0 November Whiskey.
0 November Whiskey, sorry, stop the music and your destination airport.
Maui, 0 November Whiskey.
0 November Whiskey, roger, radar contact, expect higher shortly.
Expect higher shortly, 0 November Whiskey.
Technome 6 Delta Alpha traffic, 1 o'clock, 1 mile, same direction of Skyhawk 1300.
Roger, looking for traffic, 6 Delta Alpha. Traffic in sight, 6 Delta Alpha.
6 Delta Alpha, roger, maintain visual separation with traffic, they're going to start their climb.
Roger, Vocal, 6 Delta Alpha.
November 0 November Whiskey, start your climb now, maintain 3,500.
Start my climb now, maintain 3,500, 0 November Whiskey.
Honolulu departure, Skyhawk 734, Zulu Charlie, currently at 700, climbing to 1,500, requesting flight following to Lanai at 5,500.
So 734 Zulu Charlie, departure, radar contact, resume appropriate VFR altitude.
Resume appropriate VFR altitude, 4 Zulu Charlie.
Friendly 740, clear direct on Molokai.
Clear direct Molokai, friendly 740. ATF departure, Rainbow 14, Charlotte 6, 400 feet, request 1,500 after Magic Island.
Rainbow 14, departure radar contact, approved as requested.
Approved as requested, level 14.
Traffic, 8 o'clock, low, less than 1 mile.
Rainbow 14, requested to left 360 over Waikiki.
Rainbow 14, approved as requested, and traffic low off your right, Magnum. They're doing a drop over the ocean.
You got to repeat that again, Rainbow 14.
Rainbow 14, traffic just off your right is a Magnum helicopter at 100 feet.
Looking for Magnum, Rainbow 14, approved as requested.
H-shift departure, good morning, Hawaiian 256, we're passing 1,700, up to 5.
Line 256, H-shift departure, radar contact, climb and maintain 1 tree south.
Up to 13,000, Hawaiian 256.
Number 6 Delta Alpha, what altitude did you want?
5,500, please, 6 Delta Alpha.
Okay, number 6 Delta Alpha, you can start your climb now, maintain 5,500.
Roger, 5,500, 6 Delta Alpha.
Line 256, clear direct to Pele.
Clear direct Pele, Hawaiian 256.
Photograph elevation Romeo no occur in the hole altimeter 3001. Line 256, contact center 119.3.
119.3, Hawaiian 256, aloha.
Hello, departure Alaska 876, 1,200, climbing to 5,000 on the mole, P5.
Alaska 876, departure radar contact, hello, climb and maintain 16,000 and fly heading 120.
16,000 heading 120, Alaska 876.
Rainbow 14, leaving Hall Bravo, airspace cutter says terminated. Swap 1200, physically change approved.
CFR physically change, Rainbow 14.
Friendly 740, contact center 124.1.
124.1, have a great day, Sunday 740.
You too. Cessna 4 Zulu Charlie, resume navigation.
Resume navigation 40 Charlie.
Alaska 876, turn left heading 100.
Heading 100, Alaska 8786. Hey, ship approach Magnum 2, operations complete, request return to south ramp, feet wet people.
Magnum 2, roger, semi. Magnum 2, clear Bravo airspace as requested, maintain out of below 500, altimeter 3001.
Alright, Magnum 2, out of below 500, as requested.
Magnum 2, contact tower.
Magnum 2, over to tower, thanks.